Welcome to the lovely IHP paid and free subscriber community, the intelligent minds. Those of you who do know how amazing it is to be a functional child adult right here, and with the inner growth mindset daily practices, become a paid subscriber, you get to use your ventral vagal state. You also get to make fun of those who actually follow, pretend authority figures, because really any authority figure will know that there's not only one truth and nothing but a truth. So the ones who don't like to hear it, they sound like this. I just want people to value facts more than feeling right. And you think, oh, that's an adoptive child part person who needs to real, but he doesn't want to go to therapy because he doesn't think he needs it. And in the meantime, he thinks he's successful. When I see the 4D, 3D collective, I'm a 5D mystic in the Enlightenment Soul Age group. I'm a functional child adult, all the words that mean Maria owns her nervous system and my 1-year-old and 3-year-old and all my child parts. So it is a work, yes, for emotionally mature people. As we've been discussing, the immature ones don't want it, and they then continue to act like Tom and Jerry, which is why they follow idiots around. Dogma, a principle or set of principles laid down by an authority as incontrovertibly true. There's no authority for me except for one, my own brain, and knowing how to discern. Very easy. Thank you, God. So God is discerning equanimous love, and I am a channeler and a downloader, and I'm not a spiritual bypasser. So when I say I love all people, it means I respect all people and accept that I will not be pointing out the weaknesses of my brothers and sisters who are navigating in a body that has hell, because their modulated, dysregulated embodiment is very stressful. Yes, so they don't care about their health. I won't make it my mission to try and protect their inner child, because I can't, because they're going to project all of their 16-year-old. I met him when I was a teenager. I actually find buffoons cowards, and now I know they're not actually cowards in the way that I would want to say. So no, they don't choose to lack self-awareness, accountability, or regulation skills, because they got scared by the people who bore them into being. So when you meet people who are making it sound like they have complete certainty, they have an agenda with personal story and bias. What's my personal story is that I'm a functional child adult and I love to learn things. And when I hear people think they know everything, I'm like, wow, you're another one of those buffoons. And that's why the inner growth mindset, join us. We're smart ones. We are not influenced by our memory, implicit, explicit, or my biases. I know what I know. All people will tap into infinite higher human conscious potential. The lover ones, the real ones, not the fearful ones. They actually are deluded by their imagination as they use their amygdala, because their brain doesn't know how to be used with the prefrontal cortex, because that's what spiritual bypassers do. They don't know how to be angry and sad and afraid with the ventral vagal state. Here, it's okay, Maria, we'll be good. So you can tune in and you can become a paid subscriber. We're going to have an extended on this. It's a really interesting topic. I love to love and live and learn and not cast stones, but I do have very much opinions. Tune in.